Find the area of each of the following shapes. So here we have a triangle, and it has a base of 6 and a perpendicular height of 4. And the formula for the area of a triangle is half times base times height. But very important that it has to be the perpendicular height, not the slant height. So this would be the slant height, or this would be the slant height, but this is the perpendicular height. So it meets the base at a T-junction. So the area of a triangle is half times base times height. Now in our formula book, this is written as a half AH. So a half AH, all stuck together, which means we multiply them. The A representing the base, the H representing the height. So the area of this triangle is going to be a half times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 4. Half times 6 times 4. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, and half of 24 is 12 centimeters squared. So the area of this triangle is 12 centimeters squared. We also have a triangle over here that has a base of 2 and a perpendicular height of 4.5. So half times 2 times 4.5 is going to be 4.5 centimeters squared. And then we have a parallelogram. And to find the area of a parallelogram, we multiply the base by the perpendicular height. Again, it's not the slant height, so we would not be interested in this measurement here, or this one. It is the perpendicular height. So what meets the base at a T-junction? So this is the perpendicular height as well, and it's seen here on the outside as 5.5. So the area of a parallelogram, the formula, is base multiplied by perpendicular height. Okay, so the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base multiplied by height, base multiplied by perpendicular height, and in our formula book it's written as AH. So A representing the base and H representing the height, and the A and the H are stuck together, which means multiply. So the base is 10, the perpendicular height is 5.5, and 10 multiplied by 5.5 is 55 centimeters squared. So the area of our parallelogram is 55 centimeters squared. The area of the parallelogram ABCD, so ABCD, is equal to the area of the triangle PQR. PQR. So the area of a parallelogram is equal to the area of our triangle. So we want to find the value of x, which is the height of the parallelogram. So we're trying to find this x value here. So we're going to use our formula for the area of a parallelogram, which is base times height, and we're going to substitute what we know into the formula. So the base is 12 and the height is x, so 12 multiplied by x, base multiplied by height, gives us 12x. So the area of the parallelogram is 12x. Then we're going to take our formula for the area of a triangle, which is half times base times height. And we're going to substitute the base into the formula, which is 8. 8 is the base, and the height is 9. So it's going to be half times 8 times 9, which is going to be 36 centimeters squared. So 8 times 9 is 72, and half of 72 is 36. So we know that the area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of the triangle. So we got the area of the parallelogram to be 12x, and we got the area of the triangle to be 36. So we're going to let 12x be equal to 36 and solve for x. So 12x is equal to 36, so x is going to be 36 divided by 12, and 36 divided by 12 will be 3, so x is 3. So the height of our parallelogram is 3 centimeters.